Hope everybody's doing well. Took a 2-week break there from some of the videos, so we're going to get to a user request here. They were asking about the replacement of the USB A on the front panel. This is going to cover both the 1000 and 1000 MK2. If you want to check out how to disassemble, check out the Q button replacement video down on my channel. I'll also put a link in the comments. So let's get started on that.
A user had asked, what am I in reboot? How to change this out, and this one actually has a little bend to it, but that's just the metal housing. So in order to replace this, yes, you can get this connector. We're not going to go through the soldering on that because we'll basically take your process for doing your Q button and rinse and repeat it for that. But just to show you how to get at this. So the way that I found is easiest to remove this is to pull the cable from the, we'll say the main board side, and then to remove the screw that retains it here. Okay. And one thing that is good to have is a pair of long needle nose pliers, because this one likes to fall in there, and then you gotta, yep, there it goes. Okay, so anyways, we know it's in there, we can just shake it out, but this has a little locking tab here, so it's got to come over a little bit and then wiggle up. Now that I've removed that cable, that's going to give you the slack you need to get at it and disconnect it and go from there, and leave it laced in there. There's no reason to pull it all the way out. So you can actually replace this board, and it's not crazy expensive. Insert price here. It is a DWX 3922. There might be a part number variation in that. Who knows? Who cares? But good eBay or Google search will get you what you're after. If you do decide to replace this connector, I don't know if you're going to be able to find directly from Pioneer in the service manuals what this connector number is, but it is known that they do supply these from somewhere, so you should be able to actually get something. So you're looking for something that has a 4-pin, 2, I think they're called anchors, and that's just going to be at a 90. So I'm guessing that this is pretty common. So if that's your problem, I would say almost see if you can get the part for 5 cents, $5, whatever it is. See if you can do it. Take on the repair. See if you can do it. But if not, this USB panel is whatever price I just showed you. So that's how you change that out. Let's get that reassembled. See, that's, you know, what I expect.